Hi, second and third graders. Happy week 7. Let's talk about what second grade is doing this week, and then we'll talk about third grade. In ELA, how is information structured in scientific texts? So we're still talking about the structure of those texts. This week we're focusing on scientific texts. So last week was historical texts. This week is scientific texts. So it might be a text about the life cycle or a text about animals or outer space or plants, something that tells about a scientific topic. In math, how can we read, write, and represent numbers up to 1,000? So we're really going to be focusing on place value this week and reading, writing, and representing numbers. In science, what are some important organs in our body? So you're going to be learning about the organs through poetry this week, and you're going to get to read some poems in different ways. Third grade. In ELA, you're getting ready to take our benchmark assessments. So this week we're going to be practicing. You're going to get some lessons on test taking strategies, and you're going to do some practice questions on your own. In math, how can I choose strategies for solving multiplication facts? So we're still working on those facts. Tomorrow you're going to do a test practice, and then Wednesday you're going to have your test. And then Thursday and Friday we're going to be diving into properties of multiplication. In science, what are some important organs in our body? So the same as second grade, you're going to be learning about organs through poetry and reading those poems in different ways. Just a reminder that the end of the quarter is October 9th. So you want to make sure all of your assignments are complete for every single day and every single week before October 9th. You can start doing that by logging into Savas, and anything that still pops up as an assignment is something that you have not done yet. So that's how you can tell if your math assignments are done. In reading and science, go through every week, click on each week and each day, and make sure that your discussion posts are done, and make sure that your assignments are completed and your assessments are completed. That's how you can tell if you're missing anything important. So you make sure all your work is done by October 9th. Last week we added Mind Play to our weekly schedule. So every single day you're doing Mind Play for 30 minutes a day. This is your extended hour time. So all the kids on campus are doing the exact same thing for extended hour. Mind Play is a really great program because it's giving you lessons catered to your own needs in reading. So you want to make sure that you're really getting in those minutes. Also, we're focusing on iReady now every single day except Friday. Again, iReady helps you because it gives you lessons catered to your needs in reading and math. I had a lot of second and third graders that did not do their iReady minutes last week. That's not helping you if you don't do your minutes. Make sure on Monday and Wednesday you're doing iReady reading at least 20 minutes, and Tuesday and Thursday you're doing iReady math for at least 20 minutes. This week I'm meeting with second grade 3 times and third grade 3 times. So on Tuesday, second grade 1:30, we're going to be working on your writing assignment together. So you'll notice on Tuesday we're reading a story and then we're doing a writing assignment. If you want to do the writing assignment with me, log on at 1:30. On Thursday, we'll be reviewing some math that you've learned this week at 9:30. And on Friday at 10:15, we're going to do a text features scavenger hunt. So Friday's reading lesson is about text features, and then we're going into a scavenger hunt just so we can practice locating some text features. Third grade on Tuesday at 11:15, we'll review for your test. On Thursday, we'll review for your reading test, which is Friday. So at 1:30 on Thursday, we'll review for that test, which is Friday. And then Friday, we'll just do some math multiplication fact practice. So if you're struggling with those facts, log on Friday at 9:30 and we'll practice them together. Have a great week, and I can't wait to see you guys in our live meetings. Let me know if you have any questions.